Are you struggling with makeup clutter? Effective makeup storage is not just a desire, it's a necessity for cosmetic lovers. Today, we're diving into some clever hacks that will help you declutter and streamline your beauty routine. Prepare to transform your makeup area into a more efficient and visually appealing space. Scene script. Ready to take control of your makeup chaos? Let's dive into some clever storage hacks. First up, clear acrylic organizers. They're a go-to for makeup storage, providing visibility so you can quickly find your lipsticks, eyeshadows, and brushes. Next, consider magnetic makeup boards. They're a fun, space-saving solution. Just attach magnetic strips to your makeup products and place them on a magnetic board. And don't forget drawer dividers. They're a game changer, keeping products separated and preventing them from rolling around. Now, who would have thought that ice cube trays could come in handy for makeup storage? They're excellent for organizing small items like beads, studs, or sample-sized products. Ever thought of using a spice rack for your nail polish? It's a creative and colorful solution that adds character to your space. Floating shelves on your wall can beautifully display your makeup, and grouping products by color, brand, or type makes for a visually appealing display. For a touch of elegance, use decorative jars, cups, or vases to store brushes, eyeliners, and lip liners. Stackable bins or baskets are versatile and great for storing larger items like makeup palettes, skincare products, or hair tools. A hanging shoe organizer can hold makeup, brushes, and even hair accessories, keeping them out of sight when not in use. Add drawer liners with a non-slip surface to prevent items from sliding around, particularly useful for drawers containing fragile or glass containers. Label your storage containers or drawers to make finding what you need even easier. And lastly, lazy Susans or rotation trays are perfect for organizing frequently used items. A simple spin can bring any item to your fingertips. Try out these storage hacks and share your experiences. You'll be amazed at how these simple changes can make your makeup routine more efficient and enjoyable. Remember, effective makeup storage doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. With these clever solutions, you'll streamline your routine, enhance accessibility, and create a visually appealing space to enjoy the art of makeup, no matter the size of your collection. Take the first step towards a more organized makeup routine. Happy organizing!